Okay, good morning. This is Glenn. Since it's raining, time to take a shower or in a shower under the rain. So we can do here shower. At the same time, I can do maybe a few push-up while raining. Okay. Thank you for a nice rain this morning here in Dampas, Tagbilaran City, Bohol, Philippines. Okay. Oh, nice. Slippery. Dangerous. You push up, can. Dangerous. Slippery. No need. The rest. I will flat my body there. More rain, more. I need more rain. Basang-basa sa ulan. By the way, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like, and share. And then the next vlog, I will show you what is the update of the third telco project here in Philippines. And I will explain also my next vlog. I will explain why we need to register the SIM card to the government. Because if you experience like this, you smart or blog, then they will say you won 1 million, have to claim your money, this is attorney, blah blah blah, and then they will tell go to the bank, deposit some like this and like that, and then it is scam. So I will explain in the next blog about the third telco D2. The name is D2. It's a third telco project nationwide. I will explain, so please subscribe this one, and then you can follow when I will post that blog, and I will explain. I will send to the owner, Dennis Oy, and it's possible I can send that address to the president, and then he will know